The Fenix E35R is a high-performance EDC flashlight with outstanding performance for a flashlight this small. Powered by an included 21700 5000 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the E35R emits a maximum of 3100 lumens at a distance of 260 meters. The single side switch controls 6 lighting modes, including a strobe mode for emergencies. Recharge the E35R flashlight via its USB Type-C port when the battery level indicator indicates the battery is low. The E35R is built tough with durable, high-strength, oxidation-resistant aluminum and is waterproof and impact-resistant with full metal CNC machining. A magnetic tail and a one-way body clip round out the features of this awesome little EDC flashlight, an everyday carry powerhouse. The battery level indicator, positioned on the opposite side of the charging port, can display real-time battery level status. The E35R uses an ultra-thin optical lens, fitted with the optional Fenix AOD-S version 2.0 diffuser tip, offering a soft and balanced beam that provides comfortable indoor lighting and outdoor go-to lighting.